In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Facebook login devices. Let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app. Then, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon at the top right corner. After that, tap the gear icon, also at the top right corner. Now click on See More in Accounts Center. Then select Password and Security under Account Settings. In the Security Check section, you'll find information about where you're logged in. Simply tap on your Facebook account in Accounts section. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices logged into your Facebook account. As you can see, I have just one device logged in. And that's how to check the devices logged into your Facebook account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.